You know you're live on the internet, right?
You're live on the internet before? You're live on television before? Who cares?
When you were live on the internet before, was that because somebody busted you with young children? Or not?
He does kind of look like a pedophile.
You're projecting now.
I'm just asking a question. I'm just asking a question, dude, because you're full of shit.
Hell no to the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no.
Neither is a
Suspicion
crime.
is not a crime.
Neither
First
one of
off,
those things
and until you do
is
your
a
investigation and your due diligence,
Exactly.
you can't be guilty until found innocent.
Exactly.
And so when you ran up on us, you almost hit this lady with your
I did
vehicle.
not almost hit that
I have the
lady.
whole
You got
thing on the
outside
internet,
the
and it's going to
ground.
go.
We got the video,
all
dude.
And so whenever this situation, when you handle it like that, you escalate
he's
it.
the
You're supposed to be
first.
tight.
He's this fat one
De-escalation.
right
You're supposed to
Okay.
be calm, courteous,
What do you want to do?
and
Do you want to take a picture?
No, I'm telling y'all that y'all are dismissed. We're going to exercise
We
our
don't-
rights, and then we'll leave.
We'll stay as long as we want to as well.
Well, then you're wasting tax dollars, and this is going to make your city look
We've
worse.
been wasting them since y'all got here.
Well, you already evaluated there's no threat here, so why are you still standing here?
Okay, we'll be here waiting on y'all.
Well, have a good day.
Don't wait
You'll
for
be here
us,
all
man.
day.
You're a tyrant, bro. You are.
This is where tax dollars are spent like this?
Where's your name out of here?
My name's Phil.
Phil, Jeremy.
Jeremy, nice to meet you, man.
Phil.
It's unfortunate, Jeremy, that he's got to act
Nice
so
to meet
tough and
You
just
should have
say,
the stripes on your
do,
hands.
do your thing,
James.
guys. We're out of here. You have a good
This
day.
guy
We'll
should
look
have
into
the
it. And he
stripes,
can't
man.
do
He showed up,
it. His
he
ego's
de-escalated,
taking him
he
over
kept
it,
his
dude.
cool, he communicated.
Again, I wasn't here for that part.
Well, you were here for this part.
Yes, and again,
It's his
two
ego,
different
dude.
agencies, two different agencies,
Yeah.
county,
But
city.
it's being a human being.
It is being a human being, and ain't not a single human one of us is perfect.
Nobody's perfect. There's no word is perfect.
No, and there's not. But you also have to understand, you and I both don't know what this gentleman has dealt with today.
Ninja. What's up, JK and man?
Don't let him get you down, man.
Here we got a can back over there in the area where he said that we couldn't take pictures. This guy's over there continuously taking pictures. Where we're gonna go take pictures here in just a
Oh, we're
minute.
getting all of his pictures, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go over there and take his pictures. Let's just film this guy.
All right, guys. So back to what we were doing in the first place before we were rudely interrupted.
Bootlicker.
But yeah, they got the old bus back here. They got this is an old petroleum product.
Bootlickers here, dude.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you refuse to let them tell you where you can and cannot stand. We are free people here. You just have to press them. Take a couple walks around the jail and land down. And then you get the win. There you go.
All right, guys. Well, that's how that ended up. A bunch of bitches here in, what is it, Groveton?
Thank you so much for all those warnings.
What is it, Groveton or Groverton?
Sorry, I got a little loud there for a second, guys, but you know, these tyrants, they don't like to listen. Sometimes you gotta
Trinity County. Wow, these guys are pure bitches here.
Callie's out of here.
It's not California. Are you? What state are you from?
What state?
got-
What state? Could it be California?
California.
So we had all these guys.
All right, guys, I feel our job has been pretty much accomplished. We figured out we have the right jurisdiction in public. We got some bootlickers. I'm gonna find out your name, sir, and I'm gonna FOIA request that information. They already told me you're a city employee. And so, as a city employee, to try to help him solicit a trespass, you're gonna be in trouble too. I hope you know that. Accountability is what we do, sir. You messed with the wrong people today, okay? Next time, I hope you respect people's rights.
Did my profanity offend you, sir?
I bet you never cuss when you talk, right?
Were you offended by my profanity, sir?
He got mad because I asked him where his reindeer were. He got mad because I asked him where his reindeer were. Look at this thing now. This religion with the state. I can't stand it when they mix religion with the state. The Temple Foundation, that's got to be a church, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess.
I don't like that. Do you?
No, I don't like anything.
Religion with the state. Ninja.
He said he's a waste of oxygen just now.
What would you like to do? Huh? There's something you like to do? Would you like to see me in jail?
I could care less.
You wanted me in jail a few minutes ago, didn't you?
No, care less. I know who you are. Don't give takers hoorah.
You certainly sounded like that when the chief was over there asking you to arrest me.
Arrest you?
Yeah.
Probably not. I'm a private citizen.
Oh, you're a private citizen, huh? So why are you driving us on the city streets? Why are you up here in a restricted area? Taking pictures. Why are you up here in a restricted area taking pictures?
Same reason you're up here in a restricted area taking pictures.
This guy's so full of shit, it's funny.
Bye.
Why? Move me. Move me.
No, actually, I've already moved my house.
You know you're live on the internet.
Been live on the internet before? Been live on television before? Who cares?
When you were live on the internet before, was that because somebody busted you with young children? Or not?
He does kind of look like a
You're
pedophile.
projecting now.
I'm just asking a question. I'm just asking a question,
Hey,
dude, because
y'all,
you're full of shit.
This guy gets his feelings hurt because he heard profanity. I'm offended. Yes. Cry satir. Cry satir, homeboy. There's a little guy over there playing a violin for you somewhere. You still offended? Why don't you go in there and sign a paper saying you're offended at my free speech? Go in there and sign it.
You're welcome to say whatever you like.
Oh, really? Because a few minutes ago, you were over there licking the chief's boots. That's what I thought, man.
How those boots taste? Pretty good? Pretty delicious? Like that leather?
How's that blue jizz taste?
You like licking those boots?
We got a blue jizz sucker here. That's what you are, man.
Yeah.
She's the only Wonder Woman we got.
She didn't want to answer me. We got a Wonder Woman here. Wonder Woman.
I really hope you don't work for the city. I really hope you don't work for the city. If you're a city employee, bro, you're done. What you just said to me, if you work for the city from what you just said to me,
I don't work for the city.
I hope not. I hope not.
Yes, you do.
Trinity County First Responders, 6x4. Here we go.
Oh, Trinity County. Oh, is he a fireman?
Yep. Or a plumber.
GEMS, Groveton. Groveton EMS. Are you a firefighter? Are you a firefighter? Is that what you are? You're a firefighter? Huh? You are, huh? Groveton EMS. This is the guy, hey y'all, this is the guy that was offended. He's a little butthurt bitch. Does that offend you? This whole town is just full of scumbags. Is everybody that works in this town a scumbag? You represent your Groveton.
Thank goodness.
Well, I'm gonna go do some paperwork.
Have a good one.
Y'all,
Hey, look at
So, what do you think about, now I've got, look what I've got right here in my focus right here. I got the world famous News Now California. So, Mr. California, News Now California, let me have a little interview with you. Tell me, what do you think of Texas now compared to Californians?
I've been here a few times.
Oh, have you?
I like Texas.
So, what's stopping you from retiring here?
The same thing that's stopping me from retiring in most places.
Oh, moolah.
Height requirement to get into the state.
Oh,